Vibe is a neutral word, kung saan it could be a good vibe or a bad vibe. Pero for us, we want to give that vibe kung saan babalik at babalik ka kasi hindi lang siya good vibes. It's yung family vibes. Yung kung paano ka kumakain sa Pilipinas, kung paano mo gustong kumanta nang walang inhibitions. Kumbaga, pakita mo lang kung sino ka. Iba yung mga perspective ng mga tao nang galing sa Pilipinas kasi medyo cutthroat sa Philippines eh. When you say entertainment, it's either you're good or you're not. Yung quality ng sound, yung quality ng pagkain, quality of the entertainment, and yung quality ng pakikipag-usap mo sa mga tao. Plus, ipag-carry mo ng culture ng Pilipino sa kung ano talaga yung authentically galing ng Philippines. So that's what we carry, and we want to bring that sa ating mga customers and yung mga supporters. 2019 pa lang, we were planning to have our own business somewhere in the Filipino area, which is Bathurst and Wilson, right? Wala talagang mabigay sa amin yung mga realtors na kinausap namin. May realization kami kasi nagpunta kami sa isang napakagandang cafe in LA. And the name was La La Land Kind Cafe. It was yellow, it was very clean, and na-inspire kami doon and sabi namin na, oh, this is good. So we were already like planning to put up a business somewhere without yung mga studies. We got offered and sabi namin, oh sige na, let's jump because we're not getting any younger. So tumalon kami. Ito kami, nakakatakot pero alam mo, nakakataba ng puso yung mga suporta ng mga kapwa natin Pilipino pati yung mga taga-neighborhood. Kaya tuloy lang sa laban. Vibe Vanilla consists of 3 family owners. So si John and Ruby, my cousins, and me. Ang strengths naman iba-iba. So Ate Ruby focuses on food. John focuses on like yung mga technicals, screens, lighting, audio and stuff. While I focus on entertainment, marketing, and also, alam mo yung standpoint ng isang artist na parang gusto mo talaga na mag-perform sa kung paano sa Pilipinas.
Give me a call.
Okay, good. Thank you, brother. Maraming malulupit na musikero dito, di ba? And ang gusto ko kasing gawin kung bakit ko ini-incorporate yung maliit na DK talents kasama dito is yung mabigyan ng opportunity yung mga bata kasi we all started somewhere. Pero this time, i-guide natin sila ng tama kung paano ba talaga. As an adult, you have to be polite and you have to be kind, extra kind to the kids at sabihin na you're doing a good job. But this time around, I'm talking to them in a very kind manner pero I talk to them honestly. I'm telling them what they need to improve on. Kung nagkamali, kung ano pa yung pwede improve. Plus, yung kultura ng Pilipino na ginagaling natin yung mga matatanda, na appreciative tayo, grateful tayo sa lahat. So we're trying to make this very inclusive. Kung saan, kahit anong gusto mong gawin, pwede. So let's support each other. Si Miss Dessa, you know, she's been a friend of mine simula ng pandemic. But even before that, I looked up to her. Kasi sa Pilipinas, again, like I keep mentioning, malulupit na mga musikero, nire-respeto siya. So, alun na lang yung respeto ko, diba? I consider myself still baguhan. Pero yung respeto ko sa kanya is napakataas kasi aside from napaka-talented is napakahusay. So mabigyan ng opportunity na maging kaibigan yun at pumayag siya na tulungan tayo mag-promote dito at ipakita kung gaano kagaling ang Pilipino sa mga Pilipino dito sa Canada. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso. So I'm very grateful to her. Binibigyan ka ng opportunity. Hindi siya nang lalamon sa stage. Pero gusto niya ring umangat ka. And from someone na sobrang batikan at sobrang napakahusay sa pag-perform, sa pagkanta, sa lahat. Kaya yun yung pinapasa ko sa mga estudyante na parang magsisimula tayo somewhere, pagaling tayo ng pagaling ng pagaling ng pagaling hanggang sa maabot rin natin yung gusto nating level. I would like to invite you guys to kindly support our family business. It's called Vibe Manila, kung saan kinocombine po natin ang ating upgraded sound system, upgraded LED wall, upgraded stage, and masarap na pagkain, welcoming ng mga tao. Parang pagpunta mo dito, nasa Manila ka din. So, come visit us at 361 Wilson Avenue, North York, Ontario, and experience for yourselves what the people are raving about.